Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to send a group text on an Android phone. Sending a group text on Android is straightforward once you know where to tap. The exact labels may vary slightly depending on your phone model or messaging app. These steps cover the standard method using the default Messages app. To begin, open your Messages app. Tap the Start Chat or plus button, usually bottom right. Tap to select New Message. In the To field, start typing a contact name. Tap the correct contact when it appears. Repeat adding contacts by tapping this option until your group is complete. Check that all recipients are listed at the top. Tap the next option to move forward. Provide the name for your group chat, then tap Done. Tap the message text box. Type your message. Optional, tap the plus icon to add images, videos, or files. Now kindly review your message and recipients carefully. Then tap the send button. Wait for the message to send to all contacts. The conversation will now appear as a group thread for future replies. Tip: if replies come individually instead of in one thread, enable group messaging in your messages settings. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.